The MZK L805A4 DTF t-shirt transfer printer is a complete, professional-grade solution for anyone looking to bring high-quality direct-to-film printing. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. This printer isn't just a printing machine, it's a full DTF setup that comes with an oven, transfer film, 5 large 250 ml bottles of ink, 500 g of hot melt powder, and all the necessary accessories. That means you don't need to go searching for extra parts or supplies. It's ready to go right out of the box, giving you everything you need for consistent, high-volume printing on t-shirts, hoodies, and other fabrics. What makes this MZK printer stand out is the integration of 3 core systems that solve the biggest pain points of DTF printing. First, the white ink circulation system ensures continuous ink flow and eliminates the problem of clogged lines, even during extended use. Second, it includes a preheating function that prepares the ink for optimal flow and image quality. Third, the negative pressure suction film system enhances printing stability and precision, especially during longer print runs. Together, these features allow you to print vibrant, full-color images up to 1 meter long and 8.5 inches wide, all at a high resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi. Ease of use is another strong benefit. The advanced software included with this printer allows for one-click printing and flexible layout options, all while avoiding the common issues of driver installation errors or embedded viruses. Designed for Windows systems, the software is clean, efficient, and incredibly beginner-friendly. The upgraded auto-reset ink counter also resolves blinking light errors, a common frustration with similar printers. And with large, refillable 250 ml ink tanks, more than double the capacity of standard A4 printers, you'll spend less time refilling and more time creating. A full 2-year ink supply is even included, which you can claim in installments by contacting support every 2 months, making it a truly cost-effective package for users in the US. Whether you're starting a custom apparel business or looking to elevate your DIY clothing projects, the MZK L805A4 DTF printer delivers professional quality results with minimal maintenance. It also comes with a 2-year warranty on non-consumable parts and a 3-month warranty on the printhead, with professional technical support available within 24 hours. With its powerful performance, thoughtful design, and complete bundle of supplies, this DTF printer is an excellent long-term investment for fabric printing enthusiasts and entrepreneurs alike.